Hello everyone, today I'm at Guanyin Square. 皆さんこんにちは. This is a very special mall with special design, and it's very near the Palembang MRT. So I give you a little background. It's actually built in when it's built in the 1990s, and there are residential units above, and it's very special mall. So now check it out, man. It's also a freehold property. It means doesn't expire 9 years. This not many people know this mall. Oh, there's a bubble leaf, right? And there's a spiral staircase right here. But outsiders cannot go up, man. We'll take a look at the outside first before we go in the mall. So why is this, man? Collectibles open 3 to 10 p.m. Recently in Singapore, many collectibles cards they trade the cards, and then it's quite expensive. There's a Pokemon fair a few weeks ago in the Singapore Expo. And let's check it more. So right here, you have some pubs. At Guanyin Square level 1, there's Thai food, Soy 72. There's even a Vietnamese restaurant called Little Vietnam Cafe. And there's a Chinese restaurant also. I think it's quite nice to dine here because the natural wind. But there isn't much of scenery, it's just the music. This river is a Geylang River. People jog here during the daytime. I mean along the footpath. 他们叫做河畔烧烤 with China food. 我们正式进去 we just go in right now. So first impression, very quiet and lots of cute stores, barber shop, and the little Vietnam shop is here. So let's take a look. Escalator has some light. Design and Putra Resources. A few restaurants right here. And I would like to take a look at this design, man. I heard it's a nightmare. So what do you guys think? It's very special. They have the roof light structure on top of every shop. And not only that, sloping surfaces. It's not flat, there are staircases here up and down, down and up. Oh, there's a cool shop that sells guitars. So cute. And not only that, there are some interesting items right here. Liu Dehua, Andy Lau. That's like he's in his 20s, man. And this one, Zheng Xiuwen. The Wu Yuetian Mayday. Oh, they were so young last time. And look so handsome. 四大天王. The Andy Lau, Aaron Kwok, Jackie Chong, and Leon Lai Li Ming. It's insane. Hey, this place, I think they play some table tennis inside. And the right side shop is totally different. And government agency. Oh, there's a gym here, DVSN, and a billiard pro center. Queen Ballroom. They actually have a kind of package right here, ultimate something. To host the wedding, 5%, 15,000 for 4 hours. More of a collectibles shop, man. That's kind of like a mixed kind of shop here. This is level 2. There's something special here. The fire curtain above is activated when fire alarm is triggered. So there is a fire curtain or something. Actually I don't see it yet. Oh, maybe it's the white color one. According to Explore, match day affairs. Football fan dreams come true. Wow, you see, take a look. So many designs. I mean that it's an insane, strange architecture. How come they have this triangular shape on top of the shop? Is it because it's more energy efficient, reduce heat loss, conserve energy, and some other stuff? And you look at this, the walkway is not very straight, and there's a slope also going up. Wow! And I wonder how come the design is different from that one. That one is more sharp, right? This one is more like octagon, H-shape kind of design. Oh, there's a Nanyang crane here, Nanyang Confucian crane. Association, they call it. The Kongzi, right? Let me zoom in, take a look. Right here. Wow, over here more scary. Look at that. It's insane already. It's so big now. Wow, the leaf has colors. And right here we have Pilates. And this one, 生意兴隆世纪旺. There are some collectibles items right here. Let's take a look. Oh, it's basically the Buddha type amulets and stuff, you know. Yon and Ganesha. Let's see what they have here. Some kind of Pilates shops. Okay. Oh, TCM right here. Wow, look at this. Oh, this shop very special. It's like office, then you can see the view from sitting there during the daytime. There's even a drum tutor. Hey, now we are going down slope. Min Kang TCM, travel agency, Hala some more. And then the collectibles. I think it's time to go upstairs. Let's go. Hey, there's an Iodine Bakery house and a music bro. Jamming, we come here for jamming. I heard good reviews about this Iodine Bakery house. Basically, they have a lot of like materials to cook. All this is the pineapple filling, you know. And inside there are more stuff. A law firm at level 3. Family law, civil case, property and criminal law. I think it's quite like, location is good because nobody want to let others know that they have some kind of like law issues. So you come here, it's at the corner, you know. And let's take a look again. Where's the fire curtain, man? Above will be activated when fire alarm is triggered. Actually, I'm looking for, maybe it's this one in the hole, you know, in the center. They'll come down. Holistic Psychotherapy Center for Mindfulness. Wow, and then this one, okay, this one is cute. The two statues. Bernina, what is Bernina? Oh, there's some hand-stitched item or something. What about these doors, man? Kangen water, and there's a Muslim costume right here. Whoa. There are some kind of Christian stuff right here, man. Vine and Branch Ministry. Then you will know the truth, and truth will set you free. Wow. Okay, I can see more TCM. And there's one car agency that buy and sell used car. Right here, the poster here. It's called the Nordic Cars Sportivo. Right here. Okay, please take a look at there. The line, you know. From no slope all the way, there's a slope. Special promotion for seniors. 50 years old and above, $10 haircut. You can do your nails here. You know, it's a pain. If you have ingrown nails like me last time, like you come to the nail salon every 3 months to extract, to pull out, to cut out that ingrown nail. And I have actually two ingrown nails on the big toe. But recently I went for surgery in one of the private clinic in Punggol. If you'd like to know the price, if you'd like to know where I see, drop me a message. It's the cheapest in Singapore, and I find that it's good. No, I'm now still under recovery, but the doctors are friendly, they know what they are doing, and the nurses are good also. So here we have Angel Workshop. What is it? It's not a TCM shop. Mostly Bashan neck relax. There are also many vending machines. iJuice. There are 3 of them. There's one more here. Check out the price. Pocari, $1.60 for the bottle one. $1 for the normal can one. There's one more here. Red Bull, $1.40. Okay. This one very cute. Thai dental surgery inside. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like and share and subscribe so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. This is the walking tour on Grand Link Square Mall right here in the Paya Lebar area. So take care everyone. I'll see you guys next video and Jam Matane.